There's a company run by a husband and wife team, Jim and Cindy Padilla. They have a company called Gain the Edge. And so what they are, they're a company. What they do is they provide over-the-phone sales for transformation companies like ours. So we'll do a launch, and so where we used to have our sales team in-house, again, like other people building our own here, which incredibly inefficient because we would do a launch, we need like 8 people on the phones, then the launch is over, and then our evergreen campaigns, we only need 1 or 2. Well, what do we do with those other 6 people that we trained, that we invested our time, energy, and money in training, and they want to have an opportunity to continue with us long-term, but there isn't one, so let them go, and then our next launch starts, but we need those 6 people back, but they've found another job, so now we got to find and train 6 more. Very inefficient. However, along come Jim and Cindy with a company called Gain the Edge that provides that infrastructure for us. Well, now a lot of people that are right here now, instead of going through that struggle on their own, they just plug into this platform that called Gain the Edge. Now we're more, we have greater efficiency. That's what creates efficiency of infrastructure, right? If you look at Jim and Cindy Padilla with Gain the Edge, they have the knowledge now of doing sales for our launches, and I don't want to start naming names, so I'm not 100% sure who all their clients are, but suffice to say, they've done dozens of different clients. They've probably done more than 100 launches now, done the sales over the phone. Well, they have data and experience that we could have never acquired on our own. We just could not, just being one company, we would never get that much experience, that much volume to be able to have the depth of understanding that they have. Therefore, they can have a lot more efficiency of infrastructure.